I think the most important thing to gain trust from AI is to make sure AI actually provide evidence, right? And so the AI has a lot of black box inferences, which human brain doesn't operate in that way. So that's why it's really hard to understand. So the most important thing is not just to provide people prediction, like saying, hey, something bad will happen. You need to tell people why, right? And so this evidence has to be easy to understand, right? So for example, if you show, oh, there's a memory leak here on your web server, and your web server will crash after 2 hours because you will use up memory. If you explain that to user in this way, and they will trust it because it makes sense, right? And you also need to back with evidence like line charts, error logs, and so all those things. So that's basically what we mean is like causal chains or context, right?